Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. I'm your host Akanksha Mishra. Let's start with today's session on the topic why most startups fail without systems. When we talk about sustainable development goals, most people imagine governments, big corporations or the United Nations. But the truth is simple. Startups are the fastest engines of change in the modern world. Startups move faster, think differently, and are not trapped by old systems. Innovation begins in small teams with big ideas. However, innovation without structure often fails. This is where ISO frameworks vitally help startups turn ideas into scalable, trusted, and sustainable solutions that truly support the SDGs. Now, understanding SDGs in a startup-friendly way. The SDGs are 17 global goals designed to solve real-world problems such as poverty, climate change, education, healthcare, inequality, and corruption. For startups, SDGs are not just social goals, they are huge business opportunities. Every SDG represents a market need waiting for innovation. Clean energy startups support SDG 7. Health tech startups support SDG 3, EdTech startups support SDG 4, and FinTech startups support SDG 8. The challenge is not alignment, it is execution and proof. Then we have innovation alone is not enough. Many startups fail not because their ideas are bad, but because their systems are weak. Rapid growth without control leads to quality issues, data leaks, regulatory trouble, and loss of trust. Innovation creates speed, but ISO frameworks create stability. Without structure, startups struggle to scale. Without governance, innovation becomes risky. Sustainable innovation requires both creativity and discipline. Now, what ISO really means for startups? ISO standards are often misunderstood as something only large companies need. In reality, ISO frameworks are startup-friendly blueprints. They provide ready-made systems for quality, security, environment, ethics, and risk management. ISO does not kill innovation, it protects it. For startups, ISO frameworks reduce trial and error, improve credibility, and make investors more confident. Now, ISO 9001, building quality, innovation from day one. ISO 9001 helps startups design clear processes, manage customer feedback, and improve continuously. For startups working on SDG solutions, quality is critical. A healthcare app that crashes or an education platform with poor content can cause real harm. ISO 9001 ensures innovation is reliable, repeatable, and customer-focused, directly supporting SDG 8, that is decent work, and SDG 9, industry and innovation. Then we have ISO 14001, green innovation that is real, not just marketing. Many startups claim to be green or eco-friendly. ISO 14001 helps prove it. This framework helps startups identify environmental impacts, reduce waste, manage energy, and comply with environmental laws. Climate tech, agri-tech, and clean tech startups can directly link ISO 14001 practices to SDG 12, that is responsible consumption, and SDG 13, that is climate action. It prevents greenwashing and builds real environmental credibility. Then we have ISO 27001. Trust is the currency of digital startups. Most modern startups are digital. They collect data, store information, and use cloud systems. ISO 27001 helps startups protect data from cyber threats, leaks, and misuse. Investors, customers, and partners trust startups that take information security seriously. ISO 27001 supports SDG 16, that is, strong institutions by ensuring responsible digital governance. ISO 27701, privacy, first innovation for the future. Privacy is becoming a global concern. Startups that ignore privacy risk face legal penalties and public backlash. ISO 27701 helps startups manage personal data responsibly. For health tech, fintech, and AI startups, this standard is critical. It supports SDG 16 and SDG 10, that is, reduced inequalities by protecting individual rights. Then we have ISO 45001, protecting people inside fast-growing startups. Startups often focus on growth and forget employee well-being. ISO 45001 ensures a safe and healthy workplace, even in fast-paced environments. It supports SDG 3, that is good health and well-being, and SDG 8. A healthy team builds better innovation. The next ISO standard is 37001, ethics and anti-corruption for startup governance. As startups grow, they face risks related to bribery, conflicts of interest, and unethical practices. ISO 37001 helps startups build ethical systems from the beginning. This is especially important for startups working with governments or global partners. It supports SDG 16 by promoting transparency and fairness. Then we have using ISO frameworks to attract investors and partners. Investors look for scalable and controlled businesses. ISO frameworks show that a startup is serious, disciplined, and ready to grow. ISO aligned startups reduce investor risk and improve valuation. Many global partners prefer working with ISO-based organizations because systems reduce uncertainty. Now, mapping startup innovation to SDGs using ISO. One startup can support multiple SDGs. For example, a clean energy startup supports SDG 7, SDG 13, and SDG 9. By using ISO audit records, risk assessments, and performance data, startups can report SDG impact clearly and honestly. ISO helps turn innovation into measurable sustainability outcomes. Now, common mistakes startups make without ISO. Startups without structure face quality failures, data breaches, regulatory fines, and loss of trust. These problems often destroy good ideas. ISO frameworks help startups avoid these mistakes by building systems early, not after failure. Then sustainable startups are structured startups. Startups change the world, but systems protect that change. Innovation creates solutions. ISO frameworks ensure those solutions last. When startups combine creativity with global standards, they don't just grow fast, they grow responsibly. This is how startups become true contributors to the sustainable development goals. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV for more such informative content.